China is one of the largest and fastest growing furniture markets in the world, and this market is changing. In addition to high quality, customers also demand ever greater individualization of furniture. In order to meet these requirements, it is important for the Chinese furniture manufacturers to have a partner at their side who, in addition to quality, also enables a high degree of individualization. The successful furniture manufacturers in China have found this partner in HOMAG. Outstanding quality and modern design. Oppein has been inspiring its customers since 1994. The Guangzhou-based company is China's largest kitchen manufacturer and employs 14,000 people in 5 locations. The Chinese manufacturer currently operates approximately 1,700 HOMAG machines. Oppein might have used Chinese-made equipment in its early days, however there was a certain mismatch between that equipment and our product quality positioning. At first it wasn't that big an issue, but after a while, we started having more problems with equipment stability and reliability. Then when we started partnering with HOMAG, the entire quality of our manufacturing improved dramatically, as did the entire stability of our manufacturing. This in turn guaranteed that Oppein as a whole could develop rapidly. As long as I'm a decision maker at our company, I will definitely be choosing to partner with the equipment manufacturer that's most beneficial to our company's development. We feel that HOMAG is, without a doubt, very helpful to our company's growth. Another example of a successful partnership between HOMAG and China is the ZBOM company. The manufacturer of kitchens and wardrobes has grown strongly in recent years. It's impossible to separate ZBOM's growth over the years from its partnership with HOMAG. By 2017, our kitchen cabinet output had reached 280,000 units. In other words, our annual output was huge. At our Hefei manufacturing headquarters in Shuangdong, beyond the Luang industrial zone, we have a 40,000 plus square meter manufacturing base for the production of freestanding kitchen cabinets, the largest in Asia. As we've accumulated more equipment, our partnership with HOMAG has grown. We need to maintain our machines and ensure they keep working properly. Given our large-scale production, and given that we provide flexible customization on a large scale, we need our equipment to be even more reliable and stable. And we need even better services. HOMAG has been the innovation driver in the Chinese market for 40 years now, and has a presence in China with more than 800 employees. These include 190 service engineers alone.
From the first day of our starting, that I understand service is very important. HOMAG is far away in Europe, and here the Chinese customer, especially in the former day, they are only joinery. They are afraid that such a high tech, how they can handle the machine. So we give them the guarantee, right? We have our spare parts department. We have our engineer going to Germany for the learning and coming back to training them, and for the after-sales service, and also during the operation, we have the firemen, right, to go immediately 24 hours to settle their problem. So I think that this is very important for our customer, and they appreciate for this.
The best service in the Chinese market is convincing more and more customers. For example, the office furniture manufacturer Sunon. They inspire their customers with high quality and special design. HOMAG woodworking machines are among the best in the world. We believe that to make a good product, we first have to use good equipment. Our HOMAG equipment has some pluses: good reliability, high processing precision, and speed. And of course, HOMAG service is also good. HOMAG has provided us with excellent service all these years, and their team is very capable technically. In particular, when you look at the equipment that we bought for our laser machining center these past couple of years, the processing center for shaped parts, this kind of equipment is rather high-end for Sunon, relatively speaking. Not only mass, but also class can be produced in China. Vision proves this impressively. The Shanghai-based company produces office furniture, wardrobes and complete shop fittings. With its outstanding quality, Vision inspires not only customers in Asia, but also on the European continent. Ever since we first established our factory, quality first has been Vision's goal. We've insisted on quality first, and these past few years we've been rewarded for that. When you provide quality, you get more customers. That's why we've been buying HOMAG equipment for 16 years. First of all, their equipment is more stable. Second, it's more precise. So the products you make with it are of higher quality. Third, the software and hardware are integrated. That's why we chose HOMAG equipment. In addition, HOMAG has a pretty high-quality after-sales service team in China. With its high-tech machines, state-of-the-art plant concepts, and integrated software solutions, HOMAG is the guarantor for the success of its customers.
There is only one company in the whole world, HOMAG, who can offer you services from the beginning to the end, say from product analysis, designs, production analysis, machine layout, and to real production. That's the only one company can do. No other people can do.